Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies easy at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A pinch of salt enhances all the flavors beautifully. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your melted butter and granulated sugar, stirring until smooth. Next, whisk in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, gently fold in your dry ingredients, the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Mix just until combined. Overmixing can make your brownies tough. It's time to bake. Pour your delicious brownie batter into an 8 by 8 inch baking pan, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy removal. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. For fudgy brownies, a toothpick inserted near the center should come out with moist crumbs, not completely clean. Patience is key for perfect brownies. Let them cool completely in the pan for at least 2 hours before attempting to cut them. This prevents crumbling and ensures beautiful, clean slices. Use a sharp knife, wiping it clean between each cut for the best results. Enjoy your homemade brownies plain, or elevate them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dusting of powdered sugar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.